video going.
15 seconds.
Okay, I'm glad you can see that. No, I can't. Okay. 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Long left tightens. We've got a merge, possible debris. Long 180 right. Long right. Okay, we're going to be coming up to a merge. We're going to go right, 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 right. Okay, it's tighter than map, this is. Then we've got an open right. Nothing coming, you're all clear. Long open left, tightens. Possible debris. All clear at the merge. Long 180 right. Long right. Here we're going left. Left at the split, left at the split. Fast open right into left hand chicane somewhere, left hand chicane. Well done, open right. All clear at the merge. Open right, right, we've got the over 90 left, blind, over 90 left blind, into 180 right. Nice. Not quite 180 right, okay. Long open right. Long open right. Okay, at this split we're going left, 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 left at the split to a square left. Okay mate, well done. And then down here we've got that jump. Not sure how it flies better this way. Absolutely. Right, what we got then? We've got square left. Okay, 45 right. Square right. 45 left. Into square right. 45 left. Hairpin right. Square left. Nice, square right. Square, oh, straight down here, mate. That's it, well done. Then we've got square left at the bottom onto the track. Square left at the bottom onto the track. Okay, 180 right. And then we've got a left end chicane, left end chicane. And then we're going straight on at the split. So left hand chicane, straight on. That's it, that side, well done. Where the fuck are we now? Square left. Nice, nice, 45 left, here we go. So we've got 45 left through gateway, into hairpin right, square left, into hairpin right. That's it, well done mates, drive it. And then we've got square left, followed by a square left onto the circuit. Okay, not quite a square left, is it? And then we're back onto the straight, we've got the long left, possible debris at the merge, long 180 right, long right, okay, once again we're going left at the split, Kev. Left at the split, follow the Peugeot. And then we're coming down to this left end chicane. open right, over 90 right, over 90 right, go down the inside on him, and then blind here mate. Well done, well done. Here we go into the 180 right. Long open right. Long open right, that's it. Well done. This time we're going to the left hand side, we're going straight on, and we're going down to an open left tightens possibly, into a 90 right, down the hill. Well done, well done. And then we're coming round to this merge. Okay, you're okay. Up the hill. Well done mate. And then we're coming up to this over 90 left, it's blind, into the 180 right. Nice, nice, nice. Well done. Cheeky. Long open right. Everything okay? Yep. Now again at the split we're going to be turning left. So we're going left at the split mate into that square left. Okay, well done. Then we've got the square left, then we're over the yump again. Hairpin left. Into the 45 right. Square right. 45 left. Square right. 45 left. Hairpin right. Square left. Square right. Square right onto the circuit. .180 right. This time we're going left. Left, 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 ignore him. Left, 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 we've got a hairpin left somewhere down here. Hold on, I've got the left-hand chicane. Sorry, left-hand chicane. Sorry, that's me. My fault, mate. That's it. Here we go at the switch. Hairpin left. Sorry, that's my fault, mate. Hairpin left. And there we go. We've got this. That's it. You're done. Oh, fly finishes round this corner, apparently. We're through. Yay! Well done. Perfect, mate. Well done. I'm glad you forwarded through there, mate. Follow through. Well done, mate. Well done. Hey, hey, hey. Woo! Right. Did we get the time anywhere? Right.
10:10:04.
Woo! Oh, it's over that side. Oh, I'm glad you've seen it. Right. Thank you. 04. Well done, mate. And car 41 was the one in front of us. Everything okay?
Yeah, just.
Oh, it's pumped up to the handbrake, was it?
Yeah.
So was everything okay there? Tyres and everything? Were you happy?
Yeah, I'm happy.
Cool to the gang? Yeah.
What did you think?
You were on it straight away, mate.
Yeah, I think so.
I was. Cool.
Well, we caught the Peugeot.
Yeah, well that's 30 seconds gone, isn't it, mate?
Yeah.
Well done. Yeah, happy with that, bud. Don't know what happened to the Scooby-Doo, mate. That was dramatic, that was, wasn't it?
Yeah.
I lost my place there because I looked up, saw that, looked down and missed that fucking chicane and went because my finger was over it.
Yeah.
Right, so what time are we? 47.
47.
47, 11:02. Lovely.
Okay. Karen, how was that?
Oh, good. New tyres, trying to find out what they're like, and I'm impressed.
Okay.
So, yeah, we don't.
Plenty of grip for you out there then?
Yeah, plenty of grip. It's okay today, thankfully. Hopefully, weather holds.
Yes, it does. Fingers crossed.
Okay, mate. Cheers now. So, 11:02.
11:02, lovely. Yeah, there we go, bud. Right. What time is it now? Fucking hell. Fucking hell, fine, mate. Well, we've got plenty of time for a cup of tea then. Ha ha ha!